Similasan Aging Eye Relief Eye Drops.
Product details. Cloudy or blurry vision. As we get older, it's not uncommon to suffer from problems such as corneal opacity and macular degeneration, which lead to cloudy or blurry vision. We all want our eyes to be as healthy as possible. Similasan Aging Eye Relief Eye Drops are specially designed to support corneal and macular health, and provide temporary relief for dryness which can occur as eyes age. Similasan eye drops are formulated with the natural botanical extracts Cineraria maritima to stimulate the body's natural ability to maintain a clear crystalline lens, and herb of grace to temporarily relieve dryness, so you can get relief without harsh chemicals. Can be used with contact lenses. Drops will not damage lenses, but performance might be better when applied without lenses. If you have redness, itchiness or irritation, it is best to avoid lenses for a while.
Trusted by pharmacists and families in Switzerland for 40 years, Similasan is a leading Swiss brand of remedies that use natural active ingredients instead of harsh chemicals to keep families healthy.
Our state-of-the-art facility located near the Swiss Alps makes over 190 popular remedies for children and adults. Claims based on traditional homeopathic practice, not accepted medical evidence. Not FDA evaluated. Claims based on traditional homeopathic practice, not accepted medical evidence. Not FDA evaluated. Similasan Aging Eye Relief Drops provide temporary relief from aging eye symptoms like blurred vision, eye strain, and tearing due to dryness. Use as often as needed with no known side effects. Similasan Aging Eye Relief Eye Drops stimulate the body's natural defenses instead of masking symptoms like blurry vision, strained eyes, dry eyes, and watering eyes. Similasan homeopathic eye drops are made with natural active ingredients, not harsh chemicals. Similasan eye drops do not contain vasoconstrictors, chemicals that cause rebound effect. For over 40 years, Similasan has been used by pharmacists and families in Switzerland. Similasan is a leading brand of homeopathic remedies with natural active ingredients to keep families healthy. Similasan is a Swiss brand dedicated to helping families feel good about feeling better. Our gentle eye drops provide natural temporary relief from aging eye symptoms.